Welcome to Miss Martin's Math YouTube Tutoring. Today we are discussing Module 2, Lessons 6 and 7, because both lessons talk about using an area model and the distributive property to find partial products. And so in Lesson 6, we use numbers to the tens place, and in Lesson 7, we start moving on to the hundreds place and thousands place. So we'll use this session today to model some numbers that are kind of in between there. We will model the multiplication problem 321 times 56. And again, 321 times 56 can be done as an algorithm, but another strategy to solving this problem is through an area model or a box model. And so to draw this area model today, I'm going to make my area model wider rather than longer because I have 3 digits in my first factor and 2 digits in my second factor. So my first factor, if I break it down into units, I would have 300, a group of 21, or a group of 20, and a group of 1 to get 321. And in my number 56, I have a group of 50 and a group of 6 to get 56. And I've made these numbers using my knowledge of place value and unit labels. I have tens, I have ones, I have hundreds, tens, and ones. So to multiply these numbers out now, we're just going to simply go across and over to find the value of each box. Let's start with 6 and 1 because that's our easiest multiplication number in this area model. 6 times 1 is 6. 50 times 1 is 50. Let's move to the 20. 20 times 6, well, 2 times 6 is 12 with a placeholder of 0. And 5 times 2 is 10 with 2 placeholders from our factors. 6 times 300, 6 times 3 is 18 with 2 placeholder zeros because of 300. And 5 times 3 is 15 with 1, 2, 3 placeholders because of our factors. So now we have these boxes with partial products or partial answers to our problem that need to be added up in order to find our final product or answer. Now we can combine some of these to make our lives much easier when we go to make a addition problem. So let's do 50 and 6 to make 56, and we can put 50 and 6 with 120 by saying 50, 60, 76, 176, and that takes care of 3 boxes right there. We have to take 176 and we have to add, I'm going to rewrite this over here to make sure my place value lines up when I go to add. We have to add in a group of 1,800 and a group of 1,000. However, if I put these numbers together, I can say that I have 2,800 as my combined total. My final partial product is 15,000, and so I can just put that in down here, and we can add our partial products up to get our final product. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 8 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So our final product to the multiplication problem, 321 times 56, is 17,976.